Come on, come with me, let's to 102 Joan of Arc Street. Here we are. Can you see this four-story building in the Art Nouveau style? Did you notice that above the entrance there was a plaque? Come on, I'll read it to you. Here was the tower of Philippe Auguste's castle, later called Maid'sTower. Joan of Arc was a prisoner there from December 25, 1430 to May 30, 1431, the day of her execution. We are in front of the building which contains the tower in which the Duke of Bedford, therefore the English, detained Joan of Arc before burning her. This hidden tower, which is not to be confused with the dungeon also called Joan of Arc's Tower, located a few meters away in the direction of the rail station, can be visited. Go ahead, push the door if it is not open and move forward a few meters. You can thus discover these foundations, which are located in the interior courtyard of this private building, which makes it one of the unusual places of the city.